Welcome back to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Rome research tips and tricks. All the links mentioned in this overview are down below in the description. What I'm sharing with you today is based on my personal experience using this tool. Today, we're taking a quick look at TD Bank's website, found at https://www.td.com. This site serves as the main online portal for TD Bank, providing customers with a convenient platform to manage their finances. Navigating the homepage, you'll find a wealth of information and resources readily available. The website features prominently displayed sections dedicated to personal banking, business banking, and investing. Users can explore various banking products and services, including checking accounts, savings accounts, mortgages, loans, and credit cards. The website also provides access to important financial tools and information. Customers can easily log into their accounts to view balances, make transactions, and pay bills. There's also a dedicated section for learning about financial planning, investment strategies, and other helpful financial tips. For those interested in learning more about TD Bank's products and services, the site offers detailed descriptions and comparison charts, enabling informed decision-making. Furthermore, contact information for customer support is readily accessible, ensuring assistance is just a click or call away. TD Bank's website strives to provide a comprehensive online banking experience, empowering customers to take control of their finances effectively. The user-friendly interface and extensive resources make it a valuable tool for managing everyday banking needs, exploring investment options, and staying informed about important financial matters. Finally, the site maintains a strong focus on security, employing robust measures to protect customer data and ensure the privacy of sensitive information.